exclusive and exciting ideas for affiliate marketers. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it, however, you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. You can use past customers to draw in new ones by giving a bonus for referring new users to the service. Your old customers will love the chance to get deals and will do your advertising work for you. Their friends will trust a recommendation of a close friend more than an ad, and they'll be much more likely to shop at your store. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before you watch this video. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try and you should be pleased. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.